Hello everyone, this is Venkat Talpanini. So, as part of Microsoft Fabric series of videos, so far we have talked about the terminology, the architecture, and various components of Microsoft Fabric. And today we are going to look at the interface of Microsoft Fabric. As you see here, we already touch based about these components, but theoretically we looked at, but we haven't logged into the Microsoft Fabric. And Microsoft Fabric provides free trial for 60 days, and it looks like my 42 days are over. I have only 18 days left, as you see on the top right here. I- in order to log into Microsoft Fabric or to get started your free trial, either you should have a student ID or you should have organization ID. Using your personal ID, you would not be able to create a free trial Microsoft Fabric account. So that is one limitation that we have with Microsoft Fabric. However, as you see the pane, so the pane contains all the components of Microsoft Fabric here. So far we have talked about Power BI, databases, data factory, industrial solutions, real-time intelligence, data engineering, data science, data warehouse. So this is how the pane look like. And if you just go little deep, a little inside of the fabric, you can click on the left bottom here, and it shows all the components of the fabric, and you can click on one of them, whichever you want to go, whichever the component you would like to use. So as we said earlier, the one lake is the underlying storage account. So let's go and see how this pane would look like. So let's first go into data engineering. If you click on anything, so you will end up into the components that are related to data engineering. So we are not right now go deeply into it. We will come back to all the components and how we can use those components. Here, I just want to touch base a couple of things. As you see here, one lake is associated with this tenant. So by default, you get one lake, and also you get your own workspace. So if you just click on my workspace, and you would see lake house. I created a couple of databases, and you see here this database is lake house database, and similarly there is another lake house database. So once I click on these ones, I could see the tables that are present in one lake. And also I have notebooks that are part of data engineering, data science, right? So as I explained, when you are a notebook, you don't need to do any connections to anywhere. Even though these two are part of, one is part of data engineering and another is these Python notebooks are part of science. We don't need to really do any connections. So all simply you can start writing the code into notebooks by pointing the database that is created as part of data engineering. So this is how this pane look like, and you see here you will have your own workspace. I can click on this one. In your own workspace, you can do your notebooks. You can create your pipeline. You can create your lake house. So all these things that you can create within your own workspace, and each component here, they belong to a different capabilities. So as you see here, if you want to go to Power BI, let's click on this, and now you have here your you can create your new report, and you can build your reports using Power BI. And similarly, so you can click on any kind of capability, so it will take you there, and you can start creating. Either you can create new workspace, or you can get into your own warehouse, and you can use your pipelines. So all these things you can do, but we will go through all these with examples and some projects. So right now I just wanted to show you, like, how this would look like, Microsoft Fabric looks like. And yeah, I think that's it for now. We will start, like, working on each and every component with examples. That's the agenda for rest of this month. Thank you for watching.